Hello.
Yo girl, what's up?
Hey, what's going on?
Not much. I just posted the new video, so I'm stepping away from the computer for a sec.
Oh, awesome. So what's the next episode gonna be about?
What do you mean?
Your next episode. What's it about?
I'm thinking about doing me going around and just sort of, you know.
Do you have any idea? Or
I mean, do any of us really have ideas? You know, they're not ours to possess. They come to us. They possess us, you know? So to answer your question.
So you've got nothing.
I got nothing.
I could do your makeup.
Huh. I'm going into my sister's house now. They should be expecting me. And she's gonna do my makeup. What's up, Cookie? What do you want to say? Cookie! Zeus, you're licking my tripod, bro.
I like
Camera shy. Hi. You want up in my arms, don't you? Le blondie. Scurry, scurry, scurry. Okay, come here. You know, Kitten gives me none of this, and I get all this from 3 of you. We're on a schedule, guys. I'll give you more of that later. Shimmer the robe. Do a twist. Now twerk. There you go.
I threw out my back, so that's it's not fun to work.
What's up? What's up?
Break down what you're doing.
I'm just setting up this on the tripod inside the ring light to have a steady light and the microphone. Because audio is everything.
Nice.
I'm
Whoa!
bearing gifts.
Load it up. Wait, what do you mean gifts?
Well, you gotta pick out what shampoo that you want.
What? Christmas in July. How'd I do in terms of shading?
Good.
Good.
When you have facial hair, there's always going to be that kind of like gray-blue cast, so that comes, actually, I'm glad you said that, because then I have to color correct your beard.
Wait, does that mean like full drag is coming?
I mean, you're going to look drag either way, but I'm going to do something a little more glam and not so theatrical.
Got it.
Welcome to the Thunderdome. So, let's get rolling.
Okay.
All right, pop off your glasses for me if you would.
These are gonna leave. Look at that. Look at that. She's gotta get rid of that.
Okay. Tell me about your skin type. Do you tend to get oily?
Yeah, I feel like it's patchy. I think we've said before that it's combination, right? Would you agree still, or do you think it's more just on the oily side?
I'd say it's pretty normal throughout the cheeks, and then just a little bit oily, but that could also be from your hair product, or it could be from the fact that it's 90 degrees outside.
Yeah.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do your eye area first,
Okay.
and then I'm gonna do your skin, because what'll happen is sometimes if you put the eyeshadow on, it'll drop down here, and if you already did it, like your skin, then it'll be all over. So it's how I like to do it. A lot of people are like, you have to build the foundation of a house before you can build the windows. I'm like, it's makeup.
We'll see the house
Chill
that I
the fuck
build
out.
later.
So I'm gonna start off with eyebrows, and I'm just gonna get your hairs going upward.
So I will say on camera, you've already treated my eyebrows.
I did. You wanna tell them what I did?
Weeks ago. She was cutting my hair, and then she just said, as she usually does, a casual, you wanna get your eyebrows done? Because when they're not tinted, which is what you did, correct?
Yeah, tinted them.
Yeah, when they're not tinted, then I have like half eyebrows.
That looks good, right? So I don't wanna go like drag, and I don't wanna go like feminine makeup and what would look good. I kinda wanna do like if dudes wore makeup, you know what I mean? Like, and what would look good. And
I'm totally okay with that.
I mean, I'm still gonna go for like sparkly eyeballs. I'm just gonna run a little bit of pomade through the brow just to keep the hair.
Pomade through the brow?
Yep.
What? Okay, so I gotta remember what you've done. So far you've done my brows. Now you're touching up my eyelids. Was there a reason we didn't do primer?
Because we haven't done your skin yet. Remember how I said, like, if you do the eyes first,
Yeah.
and you do the skin second?
Mm.
So
Interesting. You said remember? I forgot that. So I got Liv 2 palettes.
he got me this Huda one, this guy. And then the other one,
Oh, the big one.
Morphe, whatever. I'll use the Huda one on him. It's a different color scheme than what I was thinking, but I think that'd be cool, right?
Full circle.
Circle. I'm trying to decide on like what sparkle color I want to be on the eyeball. When people close their eyes, your eyeball wrinkles, right?
Right.
And then when you put the eyeshadow on, when you open up, you'll have these lines of where the eye was wrinkled.
Mm-hmm.
So when you do it, you gotta hike that eyebrow up. My Botox will help you, but it's gonna take a lot out of you not to rub your eyeball.
Yeah, I'm doing okay at the moment.
I think this is something to note, that if you're a person who has facial hair and it bothers you, if you just go in with foundation, you're gonna get that tonal gray cast. Unless you have a super heavy coverage foundation, you're still gonna see that gray. It depends on what your skin tone is. It might be bluish, greenish, grayish, but whatever it is, you have to warm it up. Right now I'm taking like a peach color because yours is a little bit bluish because he's more of a fair undertone. With the cooler skin tone, the hair is gonna look more blue. I will do a full drag on you sometime, but not on video, because I'm like, when you're doing on video, you're sitting at the most awkward angle and you're also talking, and I'm like, in reality, these videos are fun to make, but when I do makeup, I am like silent. Even when I'm working on models and stuff, I'm like, don't talk a lot.
You just gotta get the job done.
Gotta get it done. I can understand why a lot of people have wanted to work on just their own faces, because sometimes you can work with really great models, and then sometimes models are just like, they want to look what they consider to be beautiful. I worked on a music video for a big artist, and the creative director told me, I don't want glamour makeup. If they have acne, don't cover it. Like, they're supposed to be at like a NASCAR race. And these models would go and they'd try to like grab stuff out of my bag to do their own makeup after I finished their makeup. And I think it was because it was like a hip hop artist that these girls already came fully like done. And I was like, no, we have to take that off. And some of them were like, you like didn't like me. I'm just the messenger. So if you would like to talk to the creative directors about it and see if you could get an exemption, that's totally on you. But I can't go to bat for you like that.
And no one took up that offer.
No, some of them just tried. Oh, one girl tried to be a dick, but yeah. Actually, it's funny because the most recognizable of the models there didn't give me an attitude. What does that say?
Professional.
Yep.
I'm certainly in no top tier echelon of Hollywood, but when I've been on union gigs, you're just surrounded by people that are professionals. It's just sort of like, oh, I get why they're a professional, because they have professional attitudes.
Yeah.
They just deal with it. They don't.
Unless you're Christian Bale.
No. Even he had a bad day.
I could understand being like, dude, I'm just like, give me some f***ing space.
Yeah.
That's different than being like, I'm gonna kill your family. Ooh, I should be a screamo singer.
He never made that threat. Don't come at my Christian.
You and I do share one thing that's super frustrating with makeup, is like, because we have more prominent noses,
Yeah.
we have very deep pockets right here that it's just hard to get makeup to, because no matter how many times you smack it, you like pull it away and that spot will be unscathed. I'm just gonna inject the concealer into my veins next time then, I suppose.
What is this?
A little bit of rouge. Trying to find a lip liner.
I will talk without moving my lips.
You will not talk. My cat is getting spayed today, and I couldn't be happier because this horny has been backing it the fuck up on everyone that she can.
So what color is this?
This is just a really pale pink, just so that way I can kind of sketch slightly larger on top.
So if you didn't hear that, oh my God.
Okay, close your eyes. I'm gonna give you a little spritz. Oh, casket ready.
Smells good.
Strawberry scented.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna do one thing. I'm gonna darken your mole.
You're gonna darken my mole.
Yeah, because when you cover it up
Lean
with
into
makeup.
it, yeah.
Yeah.
There's tons of queens that draw that on.
Oh, draw that.
I've got it. I've got it for real.
He hasn't really been able to see himself like actually. So here you go.
Let's see. Oh. Wow.
What do you think?
Okay. All right.
All right.
I look gorgeous.
I mean, you do.
I look gorgeous. Yeah. Lean into the beauty mark.
Yeah. Oh, the beauty mark's everything. I think had I done something differently, I would have gone less matte on the skin because I think it's adding to the texture. But like, I say this stuff aloud so that way I can improve.
I mean, I was seeing myself just fine here, and when you showed me, I just like, I think the reason I like paused was because I was like, oh, this is exaggerated.
Let me see if I can, if I turn this down, you guys can see just how intense the makeup is.
Oh yeah, if I get all up in everyone's business.
See, but even then, it blows you out.
How we doing?
We're good. We're good.
This is it?
Yeah, this is it. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, this was doing makeup on my beautiful brother.
Thanks.
You're welcome. All right. Peace out. Until next time. Bye.
Well done, sister. Well done.